I can predict exactly which AI will give you the best business advice before I even type a single word. Sounds impossible? It's not. Because after testing hundreds of prompts across all three platforms, I've discovered something the AI companies don't want you to know. They're not that different. What makes them different is how you talk to them. Let me show you. The response to my last video was incredible. Hundreds of you asked for a deep dive into prompting. So I'm launching a complete master prompt series. But before we build these powerful commands, we need to settle this once and for all. I'm Aura, and on this channel, we build profitable businesses using AI. Today, we're ending the AI wars with one definitive test.
Most people test AIs with simple questions and get simple answers. That's like testing a sports car in a school zone.
To really see what they can do, we need a master prompt. A master prompt does three things. It assigns a role, defines the audience, and specifies the format. This turns a generic chatbot into a specialized expert.
Here's the master prompt I gave to all three AIs. You are a business strategist with 10 years of experience helping creators monetize online. Create a complete social media strategy for aspiring creators who have under 1,000 followers but want to make their first $1,000 online within 60 days. Provide this as a detailed 7-day action plan with specific daily tasks, content examples, and monetization tactics.
Now, here's my prediction. ChatGPT will give the most polished step-by-step plan. Gemini will be the most strategic, focusing on the why before the what. And Grok will be the most aggressive and business-focused, cutting straight to the money. Let's see what really happens. First up, ChatGPT.
And right away, it delivered a clean, structured playbook it calls the Launch and Monetize Action Plan. Look at this. Day 1. Define and position. It tells you to pick a niche, define a simple offer like a $27 PDF, and even gives you a content template. I help audience go from pain point to desired result. It's a perfect beginner-friendly roadmap. It moves logically from optimizing your profile to creating content to a soft offer test on day 5, and then pushing for sales with scarcity on day 7.
This is exactly what I predicted. ChatGPT is the polished performer, giving you a safe, proven, step-by-step plan that anyone can follow immediately. Now, let's look at Gemini with the same exact prompt.
And this is fascinating. Before it even starts day 1, Gemini creates a phase 1 foundation. It forces you to stop and think like a real business owner before you post anything. It gives this brilliant example. It says a bad niche is fitness coach. A good niche is fitness coach for new moms. But an excellent micro niche is a fitness coach who helps new moms in their 30s using 15-minute home workouts. That level of specificity is pure strategy.
Gemini isn't just giving you a plan. It's giving you a business education. Prediction confirmed. It is without a doubt the strategic thinker. Finally, Grok.
I expected it to be unconventional, but it's more like a ruthless CFO. It completely ignores a slow buildup and dives straight into a diversified business model. Before day 1, it's already telling you to set up 4 revenue streams: affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, and even a donations link. Its language is all business, low competition tactics, calculate ROI. And what made them all so good? That structure: role, audience, format. Master that and every AI works for you.
This isn't just a different plan. It's a completely different philosophy. High-speed, multi-stream monetization. It's aggressive, just as I predicted, but in its relentless focus on revenue. So which AI won? The truth is, the prompt did. The same exact words unlocked 3 completely valid but fundamentally different business philosophies. ChatGPT gave you the playbook. Gemini gave you the strategy. And Grok gave you the business model. This proves it. The AI doesn't matter as much as knowing what to ask for. The secret is to use the right AI for your specific need. If you feel overwhelmed and need a clear roadmap, use this prompt in ChatGPT. If you're building a real brand and need the foundation right, use Gemini. And if you need to generate revenue now, use Grok. If this changed how you think about AI, hit that subscribe button because the Master Prompt series is just getting started. Next week, we're diving deeper into the formulas that get these results. Now, I want to hear from you. Based on these real results, which path would you take? Drop playbook, strategy, or business model in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.